Hello guys, welcome to Wolfwood Airsoft Gaming, and I'm Rodelio Hiso. Before I start to post videos, I would like to have a short introduction about Airsoft and its safety rules. If you find this video helpful at the end, please subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell to be notified for my latest video. Also, follow, like, and share my Facebook page. Links are below the description. With no further delay, let's start. Airsoft basically is a team shooting sport in which participants eliminate opposing players by tagging them out of play with circular plastic projectiles or BBs launched by an air weapons called airsoft gun, and hit players indicate they have been hit by shouting hit and raising an arm or hand. Airsoft can be played indoors or outdoors, in which genuine military tactics are applied to win the game. Each game is normally kept safe by a trained professional acting as supervisor and umpires. But where did Airsoft originate from? Airsoft originated from Japan in the early 1970s. Airsoft guns spread to the United Kingdom in the late 1980s and early 1990s by a company called LS. These then became available to the rest of Europe and North America and rapidly gained popularity worldwide. After that bit of history, let us now go to Airsoft safety rules. Always treat airsoft gun as if they are loaded and handle them with care. Always unload or remove the magazine of your airsoft gun when not in game. Never put your finger on the trigger. Do not shoot your gun at anything or at someone other than an official safety target. Accident firing, particularly at close range, can result in damaged eyes or lost teeth. Do not brandish an airsoft gun in a public place. They should have be used in designated areas for airsoft gun use. Do not rely on the safety lock. Always treat your airsoft gun as if it's loaded and ready to fire. Make sure you always practice number 1, number 2, and number 3. When transporting your gun to and from a game, carry it in a gun case. Remember, in some places, using a case is the only legal way to carry your gun. Respect the law of the area in which you are carrying your gun. For those who want to be an airsoft player, most importantly, you should know the legal restriction of owning an airsoft gun by checking or inquire to your local government. My advice is, try to rent first the gears and gun, or if you have a friend that has spare gears and gun that you can borrow, that would be great. Play a couple of games so you can determine if you're really into it or not before buying. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this has been helpful. Again, please subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell to be notified for my latest video. Also follow, like, and share my Facebook page. Links are below the description. See you again on my next video.